Now, meditation is the first step. That's what this class is all about. I'm going to give you some tools and strategies to make it easy for you. And I'm going to share a little bit about that because whenever we talk about meditation, everybody has this kind of idea that you're like have to meditate for 45 minutes or you have to follow a certain practice. Now, for me, I wanted to meditate for 3 reasons. Now, I would ask for you to think about your 3 reasons, right? Mine was I am a hyper person. I wanted to be able to calm down and not feel so distracted. It's kind of like I pick on every little, thing. Getting focus, number 1. Number 2, I wanted to be able to feel connected to God, to feel that connection with my Creator. And I knew that meditation would help me do that. And number 3, I wanted to be able to practice a discipline that I could tap into my natural abilities at any time.
Are you ready to connect with your spirit guides, angels, and loved ones? I'll show you how in my 2-part free Spirit Pathway workshop. You'll learn how to access healing wisdom, messages, support, and love waiting for you. Sign up today.